Hi guys, welcome to channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and that's the search box to click, and then enter your model number of your motherboard B760 DS3H AX version 2 V3. Then hit enter. Then click on title. Then click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. Both installations process same. Audio driver, you can see this is size. Just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So I already downloaded 165. Just click on. After that, you can, this is your driver, audio driver. So this is extracted. So if you without extract to install, so you have double click. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. So wait few seconds. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Chipset. So try to this one first, Intel serial driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So it is done. Then just single click to open and double click to exe. Then yes. So it is closed automatically, means it is installed. Then second one, Intel INF installation, and same click to download, and it is done. Open. And then double click to exe. Now this is installing. Then it is close, and then LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, and this size, click to download. So it is done. Then open it and double click to exe. And then click to yes. So now this is installing. Then it is installed, means it is closed automatically, and then close. VGA driver. You can see this is VGA graphic driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So it is downloaded. 770 graphic card driver, VGA driver. So this is exe. So you have to double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Then it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. See, this is Bluetooth. Click to download. It is done and open. Double click on exe, then click to yes, and this is close it. WLAN means Wi-Fi, and just click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. Then just open it and double click to exe. Then click on yes. And this is done, and then close it.